Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Happy Friday. I hope you're having a great day. So for today's video, I'll be sharing some new dies that I picked out from In Love Art Shop and a couple projects that I created. I picked out this die set here. I thought it was really cute and fun. It's a graduation die set, and I didn't have a graduation set in my stash, so I thought this one was really nice, and it comes with lots of fun pieces. So I love the size on the graduation cap, and at first I thought these little side pieces were branches or greenery, but they're actually little balloons. And this piece here cuts out confetti. You get the ribbon that says graduation, and this cute little paper airplane with the heart on the tail. And this one I thought would be cute for Valentine's Day too, the little airplane. And then I was thinking ahead to maybe doing some Christmas in July projects, and I picked out this half Snowflake die. This set here has two different sets, or this package or magnet has two different sets. This one here creates some ribbon banners. You get the small, medium, and large, and then this little layering piece to layer over. And I do wish it came with a couple more of these layering pieces, because you do have to cut it out multiple times to layer, but still a really cute set. And then I love this strawberry die set. So cute. It comes with the base piece, then the layering piece that has the seeds cut out, the leaf, flowers, and the little strawberry top. So cute. Love that one. And then this one here creates some little gift boxes or presents, and you get 7 different designs for the layering top piece, the base piece, and then this creates the little ribbon or bow for the gift. And then this set here I thought was really nice. It's a lot bigger than I expected, but it comes with lots of fun designs for greenery or leaves. You get these 4 here, and then you get these other 3 designs. So there's that one, and they're all like different and really nice. I think I'll be using the set a lot. I like the size on these. So those are the dies, and I'll share the ribbon, like banners. So here's the one with 2, and here's the one with 3, and the larger one with 4. So like I said, you do have to cut out the top layering pieces a couple times. But I thought these were really cute, and my idea for these are just to use them as ephemera and like layering underneath other ephemera pieces. So I just cut these out to show them. I haven't used them on a project. And then I did cut out the little gift boxes, and I just packaged them up in this little clear bag to include in some happy mail or birthday mail. So I thought these were really cute, and the recipient can just, pop them off and put them on a little project. So those are ready to go in some happy mail. And then this one here is where I used one of the leaf dies. So you can see it's pretty big, and I made like a policy envelope, and I wanted it to look like a seed pack. So I put seeds there, and I was inspired to do that from this paper here from Fancy Pants. So I made this little mini album too, which I'll share fully in another post, but I cut out, it's like a gardening theme, so I did use a couple more of the leaf dies. So I used it here, and then also on the back page here is another one. So I'll share that. Oops. I actually still just need to add the like a Velcro closure on this little mini album, but I'll share it in another video fully. And then here's the little strawberry. So cute, right? I just love it. It's so cute. So I did some a gold layer underneath, so the little seeds are glittery gold, and then just made it into a pink strawberry, the leaf, and the little flower there. And so this is one of those candy poppers or a little gift box. And I just think that's so cute. So here's another one. I haven't like adhered it because I don't, you know, I might want to put it this way or this way on a project, but that's the leaf cut out. Here's the two pieces of the flower put together, and another one of the little strawberries. So I just think that's so cute. Love that one. And for the snowflake, I did make a card, like a gatefold card, so it opens. It's blank on the inside, but I just used, cut it out twice, the snowflake half, and I just layered one half on this side, the other half here, and then, you know, it just opens up that way. Closed it up with some twine, and I added a little ephemera piece, these little mittens, and this is another Fancy Pants Design paper collection. It's Cozy Christmas, so I just thought that was really cute, and then just added some little bling pearls off to the sides. So there's that card, and then the graduation card I made. I did use all the pieces except I did not cut out any of the confetti, and I also trimmed off the balloons on this one. I just wanted the hat, the graduation cap, so I just cut that out in black, added some little bling to kind of show off the top of the cap, a little brad there, and then I made my own little tassel. And then here's the ribbon piece that says graduation, and a bunch of these letters do stay in. A couple of them pop out, so you can cut it out and add the graduation back in a different color if you like, but I just did it all in white. And here's that cute little paper airplane in gold too. So there's my little graduation card. I thought it turned out cute, and I did pop up the layers a little bit, and then this little heart here is the one that popped out of the heart there from the little paper airplane. So there's my graduation card, and all the little projects I created using the dies, and I will have them all linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the little project shares, and I do have a discount code where you can get, I believe, 25% off your purchase at In Love Art Shop, so I'll leave that in the description box below as well. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.